What if you only fed your dog chocolate? It might sound harmless or even funny, but the truth is dangerous. Chocolate contains theobromine, a compound dogs can't properly digest. Even small amounts can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and a rapid heartbeat. If a dog were fed chocolate regularly, the toxins would build up in their system, leading to tremors, seizures, organ failure, and, in severe cases, death.
All right, so you just saw how eye-catching and engaging those animal skeleton videos can be. Crazy, right? They grab attention instantly, hold viewers, and make even the simplest concepts look fascinating. Now let's break it down and learn the exact step-by-step process to create these videos yourself using entirely free AI tools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate realistic skeletal-style animal visuals, structure your scenes to maximize watch time, script your content for retention, and turn the whole workflow into a repeatable, scalable YouTube format. No guessing, no paid software, and no complicated setups. If you're serious about growing on YouTube with standout educational AI content that stops the scroll, don't skip a single step because every part of this workflow matters. By the end, you'll have the complete blueprint to start creating and scaling these viral animal skeleton videos on your own. Step 1. Start by opening ChatGPT. After you're inside the platform, head over to the Apps section and click on it. This will open a new interface where you'll notice several different options available. From there, choose the ChatGPT-S option. Once you click it, use the search bar to find X-ray animal reference. When it appears in the search results, select it and press Start Chat to begin. You'll now see a prompt box where you can type your request. In this area, simply enter the name of any animal you'd like a reference image for. For this demonstration, I'll type dog. After hitting enter, ChatGPT will start generating X-ray style reference images of a dog in various poses, including side view, front view, and other useful angles. These multiple perspectives are incredibly helpful when designing accurate visuals or animations. Once the reference images are ready and your prompt is prepared, we can move forward to the next step. Step 2. Open Grok AI. When the platform finishes loading, click on the Imagine option. This takes you to a new interface, specifically built for generating images. Here, ensure the mode is set to Image Generation, then change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which works perfectly for short-form platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Now return to ChatGPT and copy the dog reference prompt that includes the blue background. Paste that prompt directly into the Grok AI prompt field. After confirming everything looks correct, click Generate. Grok AI will start producing several image variations based on your prompt. As you'll notice, it gives you multiple options to choose from. For this example, I'll select this particular image as my main reference. Once you've picked your preferred version, download it to your device so we can use it in the following step. Step 3. Head back to ChatGPT and once again click on the Apps section. From there, select ChatGPT's. This time, search for Animal X-ray Short. When it shows up in the results, click on it and choose Start Chat. To quickly demonstrate how it works, I'll type dog eating chocolate into the prompt box and press Generate. Immediately, ChatGPT produces multiple detailed scene prompts for images. These prompts are well structured and ready to be pasted directly into an image generation tool, saving you significant time and effort. Now, switch back to Grok AI. First, upload the reference image we created earlier. After uploading, click on the Edit option. This feature allows you to guide the AI using both the original reference image and a new prompt for more precise results. Next, return to ChatGPT. Copy the first generated prompt and paste it into the Grok AI prompt box. Then click Generate. You'll see that Grok AI creates an image based on the uploaded reference.
However, in this instance, I specifically want a blue gradient studio background to match my visual style. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and refine the request by typing dog eating chocolate blue gradient studio background. After clicking Generate, ChatGPT provides a revised and more specific prompt. I'll copy the first result again and paste it into Grok AI's prompt box, then click Generate. This time, Grok AI delivers exactly what I had envisioned, a clean composition featuring the dog with a smooth blue gradient studio background. As you can see, making small adjustments to your prompt can significantly enhance the final output. Now let's try another scenario. Go back to ChatGPT and type "dog running fast." Once the prompts are generated, copy the first one and paste it into Grok AI. Click Generate, and within seconds, you'll receive your image. The result displays the dog running, likely from a front-facing perspective. But what if we want a different viewpoint? Let's refine it further. This time, return to ChatGPT and type "dog running extremely fast, side view, blue gradient studio background." Click Generate, and ChatGPT will produce a more detailed and precise prompt. Copy the first output again and paste it into Grok AI's prompt box. Click Generate. Now, the result matches exactly what we were aiming for, a clear side view of the dog sprinting at high speed, perfectly placed against a blue gradient studio background. This demonstrates how impactful minor prompt refinements can be. Here are some of the additional images I created for my video using this exact same approach.
Step 4. Now that I have the complete script prepared, the next stage is transforming these images into videos that align seamlessly with the storyline. To accomplish this, you will need to return to ChatGPT and write a clear instruction. Explain that the images are already generated and you simply need to convert them into short video prompts. Also specify that everything must remain identical, the same character, same background, same composition, with only the action being animated. Clearly state not to include any extra cinematic elements or additional visual effects, and mention your script as well, and press Enter. Now ChatGPT creates a neat, structured video prompt. Now switch to Grok AI. Upload the reference image of the dog eating chocolate. Paste the exact video prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Within moments, the image transforms into a smooth video clip, maintaining the same style and background while introducing natural movement. The outcome looks great and aligns perfectly with the script. Now for the second video prompt as well, upload the matching reference image into Grok AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. You will get the result. By repeating this exact method, you can turn all your images into video clips that match each part of your script. Continue the same workflow for every scene, and you'll end up with a fully cohesive video ready for editing. Step 5. To transform your script into a voiceover, use any AI voice generator you prefer. There are numerous excellent tools available online, both free and paid. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google AI Studio because it's completely free and easy to operate.
Step 6. Open CapCut and create a new project. Begin by importing the AI-generated voiceover file you made with Google AI Studio and drag it onto the timeline. Next, bring in all the video clips you produced with Grok AI. Now start arranging your clips according to the script. For instance, when the voiceover says, "What if you only fed your dog chocolate?" insert the clip showing the dog eating chocolate and adjust its speed to align with the narration. Repeat this process until every scene is properly sequenced and synced with the voiceover. Once everything is in place, go to the Captions section, choose your preferred style, and click Apply. Finally, review the entire video, make any small adjustments needed, and press Export. And that's it! You now have the complete blueprint to create viral animal skeleton videos using 100% free AI tools. Follow the workflow, stay consistent, and start publishing. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with other creators, and subscribe for more AI content strategy.